Greetings, I'm April Diane, certified yoga instructor, health coach, and so much more. You know, I could go on with my list of titles, but my titles and my certifications and all of my skills, none of that meant anything until I got a coach. A coach is someone who holds a space for you. A coach keeps you accountable. They help you to focus. It's true. When I got serious about taking my life, my vision, my purpose to the next level, I got a coach. So we're not just giving you instructions or action steps to follow. We're gonna call you and we're gonna check to see, so how's it going? We're gonna keep your goals on your mind, because with your goals on your mind and you conscious about them, you're going to take the action steps every day. You're gonna take them because we're gonna be there with you, cheering you on, giving you the support that you need to help you reach your goals. It's a step-by-step process. Everything is a process, and the journey is sweeter than the actual success, right? Because on the journey, you build confidence, you gain strength in areas that maybe you are not as strong in. You learn to delegate, you learn to practice the theories and the ideas that you're given. Why get coached? I heard this really powerful saying, and it goes a little something like this: if you're interested, you'll do what's convenient. But when you're committed to make a change, you'll do whatever it takes, by any means honorable and necessary. And if that's where you are right now, then it's time that you get someone on board with you. Invest in a team that's going to keep you committed and help you to take your ideas, your vision, your dream to the next level. So what can you expect? To develop a simple, strategic, step-by-step formula designed by you and your coach to work within your current lifestyle. The development of this formula involves determining and implementing practical tools and techniques to help you get clear about your definition of success as it relates to your goals. After each session, you'll feel more confident, fully equipped with outlined action steps to help train you into the mindset necessary to experience the manifestation of your goals in your everyday life. We'll help you learn and practice the arts of managing expectations, setting healthy boundaries, teaching people how to treat you, and so much more, so that you can show up in your life healthy and empowered, ready to stand authentically in your unique life's purpose, with a brand new story, a story you'll want to wake up to and live every day. To learn more, sign up for a free consultation.